you a Star Wars fan? Well, today's video is just for you. We will be making super cute Baby Yodas with toilet paper rolls.
Wow! I love Baby Yoda!
So stay tuned and let's go! For this super cute Baby Yoda craft, you will need 2 toilet paper roll cores, some colored cardstock in green, brown and light brown, a whiteout pen which is optional, some glue stick, a pair of scissors, a brown marker, a pencil and eraser, and the Baby Yoda paper roll template. Let's get started. Step 1. Cut the printouts according to the instructions and glue or attach them to the correct colored paper. The famous creature of Star Wars, Baby Yoda's first name is actually Grogu. Step 2. Glue the light brown part of Yoda's coat on top of the coat, below his mouth. Step 3. Place the completed Baby Yoda paper on the toilet roll and use a pencil to measure where it ends. Use the scissors or cutter to trim the toilet paper roll down to the same size as the printable. Step 4. Add glue to the back of the completed Baby Yoda's body and wrap it around the toilet paper roll. Now hold for a few seconds until the glue is completely dry. Did you know that Baby Yoda is 50 years old? Step 5. Fold the end of Yoda's ears to make a rectangle. Add the glue to this rectangle and place it on the side of Yoda's head, close to the top. Let this dry and repeat on the other side for the opposite ear. Wow, our Baby Yoda looks so cute. Making these Baby Yoda crafts were so easy, right?
Yes, I love them!
Well, we have to go now, but thank you for watching. See you all next time.
Goodbye.